Greetings, travel trailer trailblazers. Welcome to Porter's RV Sales here in sunny Williamston, South Carolina, where easy towing meets comfort. We're excited to showcase a recently traded 2021 Heartland North Trail Ultralight 21RBSS, a compact 22-foot travel trailer weighing just 4,534 pounds. This easy-to-tow gem features the 21RBSS floor plan, with one large slide-out and sleeping 4 up to 4 in cozy style. Let's dive into a quick tour of this fantastic ultralight trailer. Let's start with the exterior, where the 2021 Heartland North Trail Ultralight 21RBSS shines with smart, lightweight design. At only 4,534 pounds and 22 feet, it's towable by many SUVs and half-ton trucks. Features include pass-through front storage compartment, electric tongue jack with scissor stabilizer jacks, and a power patio awning with LED light strip. A rear-view camera with monitor is included for safety. Power setup is straightforward with 30-amp service, detachable extension cord, and battery disconnects. Roof-mounted AC keeps the interior cool. Step inside and the large slide-out creates a surprisingly spacious interior. The front master bedroom features a king bed with wardrobe closets and overhead cabinets, plenty of room for a good night's sleep. The middle living room has a jackknife sleeper sofa in front of a 24-inch TV, offering comfortable seating and additional sleeping for 4 total. The full kitchen includes a stainless steel gas-electric refrigerator, stainless steel residential sink with faucet, gas stovetop and oven, microwave, and pantry storage. Everything you need for meals on the road. The full private bathroom is well equipped with a large shower enclosure with glass doors, sink, vanity, toilet, linen closet, and power vent fan. Let's spotlight what makes this RV stand out. The 21RBSS floor plan offers a king bed and sleeper sofa in a lightweight 22-foot package. Features like the power awning, rear camera, and full kitchen make it practical for weekend or extended trips. Picture towing this 2021 Heartland North Trail Ultralight 21RBSS with ease to your favorite campground, extending the power awning, and enjoying the king bed and full kitchen after a day out. This trailer blends lightweight towing with home-like comfort. Let's dive deeper into why this North Trail is a great choice. Heartland's construction provides durable, lightweight design with thoughtful features like the pass-through storage and power jacks. The interior layout offers comfort for couples or small families. From the full bath to the king bed, this RV is built for convenience. Let's revisit the exterior. The lightweight build and power awning make setup simple. The pass-through storage adds practicality for gear. Back inside, the living area with sleeper sofa and TV creates a comfortable spot for relaxing. The kitchen and full bath enhance the home-like feel. Why choose this North Trail? Its blend of lightweight towing and comfort is perfect for easy adventures. The 21RBSS floor plan offers space for 4 in a compact package. Ready to learn more? This 2021 Heartland North Trail Ultralight 21RBSS is available for viewing. Reach out at 864-2609276, email sales@portersrvsales.com, or visit www.portersrvsales.com to schedule a visit. The Porter's RV Sales team is here to answer your questions. Thank you for joining us for this walk-around of the 2021 Heartland North Trail Ultralight 21RBSS. Check out more RV tours on our YouTube channel, Porter's RV Sales. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. With its lightweight design and comfortable features, this trailer is worth a look. Call us today at 864-2609276 or visit portersrvsales.com for more information on this 2021 North Trail 21RBSS. This is Porter's RV Sales, and we're here to help you find your next RV.